The elasticity of genetics. The elasticity of the genetic code. DNA is not written in stone. The genetic structure is environment sensitive. The synthetic environment of the city is causing mutation. It takes 2 generations to recover from a genetic trait that is, in other words, inherited, such as susceptibility to a criminal mentality. Let's go over this again. Elasticity of genetics. The elasticity of the genetic code, DNA, is not written in stone. The genetic structure is environment sensitive. You might even say enviro-reactive. The synthetic environment of the city is causing mutation. It takes 2 generations to recover from a genetic trait that is, in other words, inherited, such as susceptibility to a criminal mentality. Another thing that might be due to mutation is tendency of the children to assume certain things like dietary problems, allergies to food or other things in the environment. So, actually, that may start a whole new concept of genetic therapy. Therapy, everywhere therapy. So, next time you go to the shopping mall, totally synthetic environment, you may not notice, you may not feel it. It may be hard to measure. It's hard to establish this. But the evidence is overwhelming that you just can't go traipsing off to a place and not expect it to have an effect on you. Actually, an effect on your very being, on your body. A systemic effect on your entire physical makeup. And it's so slow, it's like the hour hand on a clock. You may not see it creep around. But, I mean, you would notice something in your great-grandchildren if you were coherent enough at that age. And this is very important. Unless, of course, the shopping mall had all sorts of natural things in it. But we have to establish all kinds of criterion here. One, in fact, is a genetically compatible environment. What sort of environmental stress inflicts mutation, negative mutation? Some people might argue that all mutation is positive. I would not say that. Where people have deadly reactions to most of their food. So, let's see what we've got here.